One of the most important pieces in building your new website is asset collection. After the sitemap is approved, you'll get an asset collection guide. This document will act as a checklist of all the images, PDFs, testimonials, basically anything we'll need to fill out your new website. It'll be broken down with checklists for each page that'll be on the website, so you'll know exactly where the assets you're sending us are going to be located. You'll also get a link to a website where you'll be able to upload the items listed in the asset collection guide. This will include a folder for every page of the new site, so if you want to upload a photo to be used on the About Us page, you can navigate to the folder called About Us and upload it in. We'll also provide suggestions and guidance for photos that would be best for the site. If you have a ton of photos on hand, or if you don't know how to visually represent certain topics, we can help you find solutions and ideas. And that's that for asset collection. We'll be ready to answer any questions you might have, and if you don't know what kind of visuals you want to include, we'll be happy to help.